channel viewers. Here we are trying definitely our level best to give such a good knowledge to the students. In all the schools generally regularly the classes will be there, only the teaching classes. Here along with the teaching classes, myself and our management and our teachers also trying to provide many other society knowledge to the children. So till now all the students, they spoke very well. I am happy by listening their words from them. So we are trying that we believe, our management believe that a student means not only the book knowledge. A student means they should get the society knowledge from the outside, and further what things we can do in the school, what we can make them perfect in that way. Just management, they are planning in that way. Further management providing so students by listening the teaching classes, they'll get only 50% or 25% they can gain from that. But visually, if they see anything, they can gain definitely the 100% of knowledge. So for that, management providing the digital classes for them, everything we are showing to them animationally in that, and very detailedly we are showing to them. And not only that, for their nowadays computer knowledge is very important to the upcoming students. So for that we have the computer lab also, and not only that, every Saturday we are planning for projects and group discussion. Generally we'll see in a engineering level, in a post-graduating time, we see the group discussions and all. But students, to make them perfect now onwards, to improve their communication skills, from the 6th standard, almost all the 4th, 5th standard onwards, we started the group discussions to make them in perfect in the communication skills. With that, definitely the students, we are giving such new topics from the society, what they can gain the knowledge. And not only group discussions, debate. Generally, in most of the schools, the teacher teaches the lessons only. But what we are planning, we are conducting the debates in the lessons. Not only the outside society titles, we are conducting the debates in the lessons also, so that they are becoming the perfect in the lessons. And project works also going on for them. And not only the project works, the other curricular activities like dance, yoga, and karate classes for their physical fitness. So here the Triveni management aim is to provide not only in the knowledge way, even in the physically, mentally, everything we are trying to make the students the best. So first of all, I would like to thank my faculty, that is teachers and all, as well as the management to providing such facilities for all our children. And not only that, all the students also I would like to thank, learning such things from and gaining such knowledge from the teachers. And thank you to one and all.
కదండి, వారి మాటల్లో ఎంత గొప్పగా చెప్పారు. ఇంత మంచి అవకాశం మనకి ఇచ్చిన త్రివేణి టెక్నో స్కూల్ వారికి మరీ ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. ఓకే అండి, ఇప్పుడు టీచర్ వారి మాటలు చెప్తారండి, వినండి.
Hello, hi to all viewers. I am a social senior teacher from Sri Triveni Techno School. As motivated by many influence, our society and our background of house atmosphere, everything we will start by introduction, not only the lesson topic, but how to make them grip in our lesson room. That is the main motivation all our teachers will do. As the topic announced such a way, the people come to know in the conclusion part, this was the topic. Means we will make them such molded way, they will never influence, they are getting a strain. As my subject is social, they never felt. I feel that as the topic is so coolly explained, so we are doing such best from our side that they should not think any strain, especially in the history part or in a geography part, and they should gain more knowledge how to face the present society. As it is a girls' school, we are giving much potential physical and mental support to them, how to face their tomorrows, not today's. So really we are feeling, and our all blessing for our 10th class with the management full support. We are doing our best to get a conquer their or achieve their life in a full colorful way. Thank you, and a great opportunity to all to give me such a few minutes to express my view. Thank you, one and all.